What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all blessed. Hope y'all still praying. Hope y'all still doing what y'all need to do in life. Today, man, take y'all on a POV. What is this woman doing? Take y'all on a POV drive with me. I'm on the way to the gym. And afterwards, get something good to eat. Protein meal I made last night. I'm gonna go this way. So yeah, man. Getting up for the gym a little late. It's 9:50. Probably do like a 45-minute workout or something. Yeah. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go to the gym today, but yeah, I forced myself, disciplined myself. Jeez. Come on, light. Come on, light. Careful, there was 12 down this way. Chill. Man, the roads is so bad over here, bro. Especially downtown of where I live. Is he still over here? Oh, he gone. It was 12 over right here. But yeah, man. Where I'm at, just Illinois in general. Illinois just has horrible roads, man. What state y'all from? Yeah, tell me if y'all roads is horrible, because Illinois got some horrible roads, especially downtown. Down in Chicago. I wonder if that's dude right there. Let me turn this AC off. I don't really need. Oh, there's another one. I didn't even see, bro. There's two of them. What they doing over there? Move FedEx truck. What they doing over there for? That's crazy. I don't know what they doing. They just chilling or what? Open this up. Yeah, 12 been out, so I ain't gonna do nothing crazy. Oh, they go that Trump for tourists. That must be a show or something. That man got a aftermarket hood. I was able to hear it. Flea market. I ain't never been to a flea market. Yeah, I'm just chilling, to be honest, though. Like I ain't really gonna be driving down any different types of roads. I need to do a POV in downtown Chicago again. I did one a long time ago. What is this, man? I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of hot. I'll be a little boring because I'm hitting like a straight shot to my gym too. Well. That big old Snap-on truck. This Toyota. Toyota driving with some urgency. This Toyota actually wants to be somewhere. There's a little bit of traffic, but this guy. It's always the Nissans. You in the left lane, you hop in the right lane. What the? Alright. Look at this guy. He hopped in the right lane like that and wasn't even turning. Alright. Come on, truck. Look at this truck. Come on, truck, you a little too out. Some people be driving crazy sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. But I pass this guy every day. Y'all saw that little thing, the little ticket enforcer car, or whatever you want to call it. Not even that hot though, it's just like humid. Whenever I go to Florida, man, I already know I'm gonna be dying because of the humidity. I hate humidity. I mean, who doesn't? But almost to my gym. Probably gonna hit arms today. Arms, shoulders, arms, and back, I'm not sure. Now, Honda, what are you doing? I don't know how I feel about the apartments, like, right where the mall is at. I guess they wasn't using a lot of the parking spaces in the back, but I don't know. Blue Charger over there. Hey, police is on. Look at that. Wonder where they going. Pull up now. How often y'all go to the gym, if y'all go to the gym? I go at least like 3 times a week, or try to. Are they waiting for this thing to open? You can't see my phone right there. I'm recording. No, I'm not. I'm doing POV one. Let me see. Can I get a close spot? I see one. Go to that one. I just saw this pink wrap Tesla. Hold on, let me see if I can show you. It's right there. Let me see. All right, with the Tesla. I'm gonna go to that spot to the left. And we here. I don't think I'm gonna film inside the gym because I feel like that's a little weird since I'm by myself. I mean, I guess it's not, but it'll be hard to film myself. But if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. And I'll see y'all in a second. Bro, I almost forgot to record after I got out the gym. Good little 40-minute workout. Oh my goodness. Now I gotta take a shower, have some protein. I almost completely forgot. Oh yeah, we made that light. We made it. We made it. Oh, do we have a brother? Uh-oh. You gonna do nothing, Challenger? That Challenger ain't gonna do nothing? Woo! Man, I was hearing that challenge. I thought he was gonna play. Guess not. Come on, Charlie. We were supposed to have some fun. Shoo-wee. It's probably gonna be a little short POV drive, man. I thought, why not just do a POV drive with everything? Kinda everything, but you know what I mean. I'll take a shower. Alright, just feeling it a little bit. Where'd that Charlie go? Mustange. Oh, let me avoid this. Sir, you've had your blinker on. Oh, you finally turned it off. See, you knew I was gonna record him. I ain't gonna lie. Holding this thing, making my arm burn, holding the camera. It's cool. What the? Don't blow smoke on me, sir. This guy. I don't know if bro's playing or not, but probably is. I don't know. Y'all hear that music? Over there bumping. Dude, there's somebody around me bumping that music. Where is it? The van in front of me? Oh, I need an oil change soon. I need to do my rear brakes. I'll do that this weekend. I got for it. Actually, I got like a week and a half, or kind of a week and a half off. Handle it then. Over here honking. All right, man. My arm is starting to burn. I'm gonna just hit y'all up when I get home and show y'all the meal that I made last night that I'm gonna have as a meal prep. So I'm gonna see y'all soon. All right, y'all. I gotta show y'all my protein burrito. You see that cheese that I done? Let melt on there. So it's protein burrito with lean beef, rice. I put Mexican rice in there, Mexican yellow rice. A whole bunch of spices and tomato and cheese sauce, a grilled cheese burrito. Let me take a bite. Y'all see in there? So the burrito, I like it. My second time making it. It's even better this time. But we're gonna close this video out my burrito. Once again, I hope y'all staying blessed. Hope y'all still praying. Thank y'all for watching another video, even though it was a short one. But I love y'all and we'll see y'all in the next one.